Treasury App is marketed as an easy way to learn investing or manage money. But the real question is whether it's a legit investment platform or something you should avoid. Now, here's the first important thing. There isn't just one Treasury App. There are multiple apps and websites using the same name, and that's where things get confusing. What it actually does well. Simple concept. Some versions focus on learning or basic investing, which can be useful for beginners. Clean interface. Apps in this category are usually designed to feel easy and beginner-friendly. Real versions do exist. For example, the Gold investment version claims real asset backing and compliance in certain markets. Where it gets risky. High risk warnings for Treasury.app site. One analysis gives it a very low trust score, 16.5/100, and labels it high risk, unsafe. It's also very new, lacking strong credibility signals. So, is a Treasury app real or fake? Short answer, depend which one, but overall, high caution needed. Some versions are legit but limited education, budgeting. Some may be real but niche gold investing apps, but others, especially sites like Treasury.app, show clear risk signals bottom line. Treasury App is not one clear, trusted brand, and that's the biggest problem. Some versions are legit tools, learning or budgeting. Some versions are high risk or potentially unsafe. The name confusion itself is a major red flag. If you're thinking of using it, double-check the exact developer. Verify licensing. Avoid sending money unless it's a well-known, regulated platform. If you're unsure, it's safer to stick with established investment apps instead of taking the risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.